Warning, I am not trying to get you fired. I'm not trying to get you in trouble with your manager or your boss. And I'm not trying to get myself in trouble either. But here's the thing. If you work in sales, if you work in business development, chances are you don't need another manager. You don't need more management. You don't need more pipeline reviews. What you need is a coach that is focused on providing you with new information, a coach that you can meet with on a very regular basis and say, hey, here's the voicemails that I'm leaving. Here's the emails that I'm sending. Here's what we discussed at the end of that meeting. What can I do to get this sale across the goal line? Far too often, sales reps go their entire career maximum management. What's coming in this week? What's coming in next month? What's your quarterly forecast? And minimum coaching. What did you say on that call last week? What could we do differently? That's where I would love to be your coach. My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. For $299 a month, you're going to have access to our on-demand video coaching portal. 24/7, 365. Anything that you're facing in your sales career is covered in that portal. You can watch videos of me helping you get better. And where the real magic happens is every week, you and I are going to get together. And this is not going to be like your normal sales meetings. I'm not going to ask you what's coming in. I'm not going to ask you to forecast. I'm not going to ask you to tell me things that aren't going to happen. You're going to give me questions. I'm going to give you answers. We are going to get better together. The people that are on those weekly calls have doubled, tripled, quadrupled the income they're making. You're going to be able to hear their questions. You're going to be able to meet with them and make friends with the top performers in every vertical of sales. If you're tired of management and open to the idea of coaching, check us out over at Easton University.